So welcome to our today's section. We will discuss about the security services. Security services means a processing or communication services that is provided by a system to give a specific kind of protection to the system resources. So services means, so what are the services are provided by the network security? We are sending the message to the receiver, so that how sequence data will be sent to the receiver over the network. So there are five services are provided by the network security. So first one is authentication, next one is access control, data confidentiality, data integrity, and non-reputation. So these are the five services are provided by the security services. We will discuss one by one. So first one is authentication. The authentication service is partnered with assuring that a communication is authentic. In case of a single message, its function of authentication service is to assure the recipient that the message is from the source that is claimed to be a form. It means verify the identity of the person and who is sending and who is receiving. We have to check identity of the sender and receiver. This is the authentication. Next one is access control, the prevention of unauthorized use of resources. Access control is the ability to limit and control the access to host system and applications via communication link. To achieve this, each entity trying to gain access must first be identified or authenticated and so that access right can be tailored to the individual. So access control means we have to prevent unauthorized access of resources. The name itself indicates the access should be given to only authorized person. Next one is data confidentiality. So confidentiality is the protection of transformed data from passive attack. The protection of data from unauthorized disclosure. So it means verify the identity of the user. Also sender sending the data to receiver. So our duty is provide the security for the data which is the sender by the sender, which is sent by the sender. Data integrity, the assurance that data services are exactly as sent by an authorized entities, containing no modifications, insertion, deletion, or replay. So after sending the message from the sender, before receiving the receiver, no modification should be done during the transformation. That is called a integrity. Next one is non-reputation. It is assured that someone cannot deny something. It is a method of guaranteeing message transformation between the parties. Provide the protection against denial by one of the entity involved in a communication of having the participated in all or part of communication. So non-reputation means prevention from denial of service attacks. It means without interaction of the user, server will stop its services to all users. So without any intimation to these users, the server is automatically stop all the services. So these five services are provided by the network security services. That means we have to provide all the 5 services while sending data from the sender to receiver. The some basic terminology. Plain text. So an original message is also known as a plain text. Ciphertext. So plain text means that is a readable message. Ciphertext. The coded message is called a ciphertext. So that is an unreadable message is called a ciphertext. The process of converting the plain text into ciphertext is called a cryptography. So cryptography means converting the plain text into ciphertext, means readable messages to unreadable message, that is called a encryption. And reverse of encryption means converting the unreadable messages to readable message, that is called a decryption. Next one is cryptography. So the study of encryption process is called a cryptography. Next one is cryptanalysis. So cryptanalysis means the study of decryption, means the ciphertext is converted into the plain text. The study of that concept is called cryptanalysis. Next one, cryptology. The area of cryptology and cryptanalysis together are called a cryptology, means the study of decryption and the study of encryption, both is called a cryptology. Thank you.